Hi student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I continue the lesson first 3 questions. From here I will start the explanation, and I hope whatever I taught you in earlier video you understand very well, and on the basis of the video whatever I give you the homework you have complete very easily. Okay student? So student, when he awoke he was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man laying on the bed was. Means, when the king was awoke, he could not remember what happened with him, and the person who lying on the bed, who was that man. Means, जब राजा सुबह जगे तो उनको कुछ भी याद नहीं था, उनको यह भी याद नहीं था कि जिस स्ट्रेंज बियर्डेड मैन की वो हेल्प किए थे वो आदमी कौन है. एंड फॉरगिव मी सेड द बियर्डेड मैन इन द वीक वॉइस व्हेन ही सॉ दैट द किंग वाज अवोक. एंड व्हेन द किंग the bearded man saw the king when he awoke, the bearded man said to king that please forgive me. जैसे ही राजा जगे वह जो bearded man था वह राजा से बोला कि मुझे माफ़ कर दें. I don't know you and have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. The king said that I don't know you and why you said to forgive you and I don't know about you. राजा बोले कि मैं तुम्हें तो जानता ही नहीं हूँ, फिर तुम मुझसे माफ़ी क्यों मांग रहे हो. You don't know me but I know you. And that bearded man said that you don't know me but I know you. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you. And that bearded man said that he was enemy of him, the king, because you put my brother to death and seized my property. And that bearded man said that you kill my brother to death and seized all my property. Dear student, here seized means took by force, किसी की प्रॉपर्टी को जो है ज़बरदस्ती से ले लेना, मीन्स उसको सीज्ड कहते हैं. तो दैट बियर्डेड मैन सेड दैट यू किल माई ब्रदर एंड सीज्ड ऑल माई प्रॉपर्टी. आई न्यू यू हैड गॉन अलोन टू सी द हर्मिट. एंड दैट बियर्डेड मैन सेड दैट ही नो दैट यू अलोन went to see the hermit. एंड वह बियर्डेड मैन ने भी बताया कि वह इस बात को अच्छी तरह से जानता था कि आप अकेले जो है सन्यासी से मिलने वाले हैं. एंड आई मेड अप माई माइंड टू किल यू इन योर वे होम. एंड दैट बियर्डेड मैन वॉज ऑल्सो सेड दैट ही मेड अ प्लान टू किल यू when you return to your home. वह बेडेड मैन ने यह भी बताया कि जब वह वापस आने वाले होंगे, उसी समय वो प्लान ये बनाया था कि जब वह राजा वापस आएंगे उसी समय वह उनको मार गिराएगा. बट द डे पास्ड एंड यू डिड नॉट रिटर्न. बट the day has passed and the king was not returned. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. And the bearded man also said that he came upon the hiding place, and when the king's bodyguard saw him, they wounded him. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wound. And that bearded man was also said that he escaped from that place, and he also said that if he did not dress him, then he was died. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. And the bearded man also said to the king that he wished to kill him, but the king saved his life. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant, and will order my son to do the same. Forgive me. And that bearded man was said that if he will alive, then he serve him as the most faithful servant. And he was also said to his sons to do the same. And after that, the bearded man said that forgive him. Means राजा जो है कहा कि मैं राजा से बियर्डेड मैन बोले कि मैं आपको मारने के लिए आया था, प्लान किया था, बट आपने मेरे जीवन को बचाया है, इसलिए मैं अपने आप को जो है आपका सबसे फेथफुल सर्वेंट के रूप में काम करूँगा, और मैं अपने बच्चों से भी बोलूँगा कि वह भी ऐसा ही करें. और इतना कह करके वह राजा से फिर से कहा फॉरगिव हिम. द किंग वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव मेड पीस विद हिज एनिमी सो इजली एंड टू हैव वॉन हिम ओवर एज फ्रेंड. एंड आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस द किंग बिकम वेरी हैप्पी, and he thought that he was his enemy, but after that he said that he was not his enemy, but he was his friend. He did not forgive him, but said he would send his servant and his own doctor to look after him. The king said that he sent his servant and his own doctor to look after him. राजा ने कहा कि वह जो है केवल उसको माफ़ ही नहीं करेगा, बल्कि वह अपने सर्वेंट, अपने डॉक्टर्स को ही भेजेगा उस बियर्डेड मैन की देखभाल के लिए. And he promised to give back the man's his property. And the king also promised to the bearded man that he gave back all the property to that man. Leaving the wounded man The king went out of the hut and looked around the hermit. And when the king went back to the hermit hut, before going away, he wished once more to get answer of his question. And before the king leaving that place, he also asked the hermit to give his answers. The hermit was on the knees sowing seed in the bed, and at that time hermit was sowing seed in his bed. उस समय hermit जो है अपने घुटने के बल हो करके कुछ बो रहे थे in the beds and had been dug day before. और उस समय जो है वह बो रहे थे जो जिसको जो है एक दिन पहले उसकी डगिंग की गई थी. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time I beg you to answer my question, wise man." And the king asked the hermit to give the answer of his question at last time. Okay, student, I have finished this part, and after that I explain the another paragraph. Thanks.